Bluehost affiliate program. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you all that you guys need to know about the Bluehost affiliate program. So over here, you guys can see that you guys can get up to $65 for each qualified referral / sign up. So when they say qualified, what they basically mean is that the person you refer clicks on your link and he actually ends up signing up on the platform and he actually buys a program. So whenever a person actually buys a plan, that is when you guys are going to be making the money. So that is how much money you can make with their affiliate program. Their sign up is very fast and it is free as well. And you can also grow your customers by seeing exactly where your traffic is coming from, and you guys can just simply double down on that to make sure that you guys get the best of results. So over here, of course, you guys already know how much you guys are going to be getting paid, and of course they offer commission for each qualified referral, as I mentioned before. And you can take out your money via PayPal or via electronic bank transfer. Now, they also charge for the fees, but the fees are very small. It's not going to affect anything. So that is how easy it is for you guys to actually get started with the Bluehost affiliate program. To get started, click on join now, and they're going to ask you for some information. Just simply give them that information and you guys are going to be good to go. So guys, this is how you guys can get started with Bluehost affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.